Welcome, student. Today I have brought this class, okay, from the topic set. It is on the basis of revision for the examination, okay, and I hope you will learn from this class, many more things related to the topic set. Okay, let's start today's class, and its first slide goes like this, okay, and here in this slide, okay, in the first slide, and there is given true and false, okay, and in this true and false one, look here, see, as I told you, there are the question on the basis of this one examination one, and here I am going to ask you true and false, okay, and on this true and false, look here, first one is tabulation method is also known as roster method. True, a set having only one element is called singleton set. True, if a equals to 1 3 5 6 7 8 and b equals to 2 4 6 7, then a minus b equals to 2 comma 4, okay, it's false. If a equals to 1 2 3 4 and b equals to 3 4 5 6, then a in section b is a in section this is a in section b is what the set 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's false, okay. And here is another set one, another one question. Equal sets are equivalent sets, but all the equivalent sets are not all the equivalent sets are not equal sets is true, because in equivalent sets number of elements must be, okay, equal, but elements may be equal, may not be equal, okay, that's what it is. It's written there, all the equivalent sets are not equal sets, okay, all the equivalent sets are not equal sets, okay, it's true. And similarly, let's go to another slide. Okay, multiple choice questions, okay, which of the following is well defined, okay. Intelligent students of class 8, intelligent students of class 8 securing A plus in final examination of LA, okay. Intelligent students of LAS, intelligent students of Kathmandu, okay. And here is given the mm, criteria of A plus, that's why it is the well defined object. The symbol to write empty set is this this 5, okay. As an empty set is also known as, okay, void set. This one is void set, okay. Empty set is also known as void set, is correct one. And similarly, look next one, okay. If this is fill in the blanks, and if A union B equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and A in section B is 6 7, then A union B minus A in section B is what? From this we have to subtract this, and then it will come 1 2 3 4 5 8, okay, because 6 7 is subtracted. This is the correct one. And if A equals to Mn and B equals to AB, then what types of sets are they? They are uh, equivalent sets, because there are two elements, there are also two elements, okay. And now let's move to the next slide. Okay, this is fill in the blanks, okay. If A equals to this one, okay, 1 to 3, then set A is dash, there is empty set, finite set, and finite set. It is finite set because there are finite number of elements. A equals to this collection of object is called a set, as given, well defined one, okay, you know. And 3 number, a diagram which represents set, okay, relation on set and operation on sets is known as a this is blank, and this is Venn diagram, and there is scene diagram, and this is draw diagram, okay, its answer is Venn diagram. In two or more, okay, the two sets having same component, okay, the same common elements, then the sets are said to be dash. Okay, if there is common element, then what will be that? Disjoint set, overlapping sets. Okay, union sets. Its answer is overlapping set. Okay, if there is some common element, that is known as some common elements means they are overlapping sets. You know that one. If A equals to 2, 4, 6, 7 and B equals to 7, 8, 9, 10, then A minus B is A minus B means from this and this subtracted. What will be left there? 7, 7 cancel. Then this 2, 4, 6 left. 2, 4, 6 is the answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. And here's D. And U equals to 50 and A equals 15 and B equals 10 and N A intersection B equals to 5. What is the value of N A1 and B? N A1 means we have to use the formula. N A1 and B means N A1 and B complement this. Okay. For this complement, we have to find first of all N A1 and B. This plus this minus this means this 25 minus 5, 20, and 20 should be subtracted from inverse side, then it will come 30. If N equals to this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what is the value of N A intersection B? N intersection means its N is common. What's common here? 5, 6, 7. That's why this third one is the answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. And here, which one of the following formula is not the correct formula? And it is not the correct formula for number N U equals to N A minus N B. Okay, for the correct formula. And next one, look there. Which one of the following brackets is compulsorily used to write the elements inside it? Okay, in the set one. Okay, this is the chapter set, that's why. Okay, this one, third number, this curly bracket we have to use in set, okay, to write the elements inside it. And next one, okay, this is one, we have to observe this figure, okay, and we have to write the answer. And A equals to, inside the A, set A, there are two elements inside only A, means this only one elements, and A and B means A and B both, there are three elements, and this is an A and B complement. Complement means outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 elements. B minus A, this side B minus A, this D only, that's only one element. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, these are the practice questions. Okay, you will practice this all the questions. Okay, these questions are given in difficulties. Okay, you can watch the video again and again, which will help you a lot. Okay, thank you very much. And this is specification grade. Okay. Okay, today this much only. Keep practicing.